Hi everyone. Today our topic is how to create performance test workload modeling report. Workload modeling report means you need to create the workload model everything through Excel sheet or mail. You need to send it to the clients. Otherwise, you need to prepare yourself only. You need to leave it. Okay, that is case to case different, project to project. There is a big MNC companies, everything you need to approve to the client. This is the way I need to execute the test. Your side is okay or anything you need to changes. The client is approved, yeah, same way only need to execute the test. Okay, it's a small applications, it's not required workload model also. The people who directly will tell this much of user load you need to execute. Okay, that is everything project to project, client to client, MNC level, small companies, mid-level companies, everything is different, but way of work only different, but based on requirement will be changed. Okay, you need to understand that point. Target is how to create performance test workload modeling report. Okay guys, I need to create report now. Okay, it will take long time. I'm already created my past report. I'm sending to my mails. Okay, I will show you that report how I need to created my last one, and that is also only for sample only. What are they done in my project, same only. I will take one demo application. The demo application based I will create it. This is helpful for your project's point of view, how we need to create, just for one idea or reference. Okay, now I need to open that one. I will go to my mails. Just a minute, I will open that one. Yes, just 2 minutes, guys. It's I need to open that one. Yeah, this one only. First one you need to open. Okay, you can guys, you can see this is my gen. It's a report available. Okay, I will explain two types of reports. Okay, this is first one, guys. This is, there is no any Outlook, guys. Only it's available my Gmail I created. Okay, first of all, I will mention to the title or a status project code 110022. This is the original project code only. Performance testing and engineering project status. I can send it to the my different mails for storing purpose. I'm setting to the in project point of view. It's some DLLs will be added, and both the to address and the CC also will provide some important managers or technical leads. The details I will mention. Okay, after. Hi all, please find below performance testing and engineering project status and all environment testing, bug tracking details, and all sessions, all scenario executions, response times, transaction count, SLA, or reach or not, all details below described. Please find it. Application name you can provide the, I am provide the sample application, web tour application, but your point of view, which application you are providing, which application you are working, that name you need to provide. After, I am working original application is NCR. NCR means it's a National Cash Register Food Corporation company. It's a US based. Okay, US based company. It's a cash missions will be generated, means previous olden days it's called cash missions. Latest nowadays it's a ATM centers. Okay, the type of missions and products will be provided, and food also will be providing this company. It's a subsidiary company. Okay, under all types of performance testing and engineering purpose used scripts list. These all the scripts will be created. First of all, you need to find out one important point, guys. This is just web tour application I will provided. This is my original company I worked, NCR. Maybe you can see some employees also will going from NCR Food Corporation label na, that one. Just a minute, I will show you that company. Yeah, this is the company, guys. NCR Corporation software company, NCR. He will provide the our own product only will test it. I am working pastly. This is the company NCR. Okay, National Cash Register. It from United States company, not for the Indian company. Okay, moving back to this one, I created some scripts. First one is the POC1. Okay, it's a generally starting time. The POC will be created after the scripts will created 1 2 3 4, only 4 flows only. It's a JMeter tool. After scenario list for load testing, scenario 1, one user load baseline test POC1 jmx.script. Scenario 2, 10 user load testing, all scripts include run the test. Scenario 3, 20 user load testing login and logout scripts webtour script 4.jmx. Scenario 4, 40 user load testing webtour script 2.jmx webtour script 3.jmx. Scripts 5, 1000 user load testing POC1.jmx webtour 1 2 3 4, all the scripts will be included. Total 5 scenarios only will be given. A same I am working application, and everything is working through AWS. Okay, or deployed everything in AWS. That reason the instances is, it's a very sensitive. That reason you need to executing the first one user load in POC point of view. It's not running from average user load also. Minimum 10 or 20 user load also is not accepting. Only single user only will executing. After 10 20 40, this everything the company it's working very slowly will doing. Okay, 1000 user load also will executing, or QA enrollment only. Okay, you can see this is the same how I need to I created this one. Exactly same only I am working. Okay, first one scenario, sorry, serial number, user load, scenario, environment, start date, end date, comments. First one, it's a load-of environment. Load-of environment means the application now only will be, the pages will be developing. Web application, this one. Okay, it's a now only will developing. First, you run the user load one user baseline testing. After 10 20 40, 1000 user load will be executing. Only load-of. Okay, load of enrollment comment is, load of enrollment performance testing and engineering successfully completed without any issues and SLA reach. Okay, no issues. Moving to the same test to dev enrollment, same user load, guys, there is no difference. Dates only something will be changed. After dev enrollment performance testing and engineering successfully completed without any issues and SLA reach. After same test we need to execute the test enrollment. Test enrollment performance testing and engineering successfully completed without any issues and SLA reach. After QA enrollment, that time it's not started completely. Okay, still waiting for a QA enrollment. What are the required Jira tickets? I have already raised and assigned to the developers. Once issues will be solved, I will start the performance testing and engineering in QA enrollment. Thanks, Gauri PTE. I will mention. Okay, is the starting time. Okay, this is not only one, it's a load dev test QA pre-prod. You need to create all the things. Example, workload model means this is only workload model, guys. You need to take how you need to execute the workload model means, you need to find out the peak hours of the test. The peak hours means one user first will be executed. After 10 20 40, gradually you need to increasing the user load, and finally this is our target user load you need to executing 1000 users. And what is your throughput will be executing, this is only workload model. Okay, this is every environment based I created this one. Okay, this is only just for mail only. I will moving to my next mail available. That mail maybe it's clearly you can understand. Yeah, this one. This one already I am already explained the same only. There is no anything. Okay. After finally you can see it's a QA enrollment. Okay, same user load. QA enrollment performance testing engineering successfully completed, but target SLA 5000 per second not reached. Means there are so many issues available. Okay, you can go to the what are the required Jira tickets I have already raised and assigned to the developers. Once issue will be resolved, I will restart the performance testing and engineering in QA enrollment. I will proceed to execute the higher user load and find out the performance testing and engineering issues. What are the reasons that many user load not supported, application crashes, database issues, network issues, cloud issues. Find out after provide the recommendations and solutions to provide to solve the issue. Improve the performance of application and improve the business our web tour application. It's a sample based I created web tour application. Originally that is NCR application. Okay, NCR National Cash Register Food Corporation Company. Why you need to mention a food corporation? In India you will provide this, some food also will provided. Okay, that reason. Thanks Gauri PTE. The main issue is it's not reached now. There are so many issues from the application side and database side. Okay, and still waiting for the pre-prod enrollment also. But after only the management team, you don't have time, you need to waiting that much time. You need to release the application to directly in production. You can running from minimum 1 year. After anything issues will become or still performance will be degraded, yeah, you need to retesting to the performance side. Otherwise no issue, you need to proceed na. The management he did not wait that much time, that reason only will moving to the application production. Okay, but still issues in assigned to the Jira tickets only. There is no any solution also. I'm not sure the people why you need to run for performance testing all the things, it's a waste only. Okay, he did not solve any issues. Okay, this is the report. Just a minute, I need to my downloads. Yeah, project status I will mention. Actually you need to mention the project code and application name, what is the user load, everything you need to mention, but I don't have time. Okay, just a minute, you will open that one. Yeah, this is only guys same only, there is nothing else. But you need to create the every environment user load scenarios. What is the timelines you need to start and ending date and comments you need to provide it. And before this is based example, this is once a completed example I created this one. Before starting any testing, okay, before starting any testing I created, first I created this one, you know, load of enrollment. This is totally guys will take around 3 years time, but I created only just for 1 year level. It total I am working 3 years time. First I will working to this application in load of enrollment, it successfully completed. After wait for around 3 to 4 months, after will start the dev enrollment. After 1 or 2 months after test enrollment. After wait for long months around 10 months after will start the QA enrollment. QA enrollment only I will find out the performance issues. You need to remember in performance testing, it's running from 100 user, 10 user, 20 users. That time you not able to find out any major performance issues. You need to run from higher level user load. That time only you able to find out, and long duration based on you creating the load, stress, endurance spike, volume testings, and multiple rounds you need to keep on running and different times. That time only you able to find out the performance issues. Okay, otherwise is not able to find out. But you can see in QA enrollment, it's to find out the issues. There are so many issues is there in QA enrollment, but management team, I'm already as for the performance person in responsibility. I create all the Jira tickets, talk to all the development teams, assigned everything. But management simply will take the decision he did not solve anything, this all the issues. Now there is no time, application is moving to production. Okay, there is no use now, that is only management teams will be doing, and some any major performance issues only will be solved. Okay, most number of issues he did not solve that one. But one thing, you are one of the efficient performance engineer and responsible person. You need to learn this all the things and in keep in your mind. And any performance of testing for the application based on your requirement, you need to create all the things and share to the clients and get the approve, and you need to proceed. You need to do your job perfectly. Okay, the issues will be solved or not, that is not your question, that is not your responsible. Okay, you will done your testing perfectly and you share the reports and create find out the issues and recommendations. You need to provide your experience based. You don't have that much of experience, you no need to provide any recommendation also. That's all, you can done your job. You can create all the Jira tickets, apply to the who is the responsible developers. That's all. Okay, your job is completed. No need to bother about that issues will be solved or not. In my total 5 years experience, it's a very less, very less, out of 100% I will give only 5% people only will solve that issue. Remaining people he did not solve. Means I'm not able to question to the development team also. The management team what is doing now, only single person will give the multiple projects. You need to develop so many releases waiting. That reason you don't have time. Okay, you don't have time also. Development team also, you need to analyze, you need to find out the issue, runtime issues on load level and network level. There are so many problems na? In development team you don't have time. That reason you will throw out that all the things and moving to the next work. A priority level you will moving only. This application, the performance issues also keep on moving. That's all. Okay. Yeah, that's all guys. This is the main workload model. I will create the very small level. Means this is not a project report. This is not a project report. No, that is a sample. My reference purpose I will create it. Yeah, this is the way you need to create the workload model, and that once the client will be approved, na same way only you need to execute the test. Okay, anything changes or anything you need to changes na, the meeting only client only will explain. Once you need to done all the changes and you need to reshare to the report. Otherwise that place also you need to add the rows, you need to add it and you need to update. Okay, that's all. Okay, that is everything client requirement will provide it. You will work one or two projects na, you can understand easily. Okay, yeah, you can check it guys, this report you can useful. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's all guys. This video just I will show you for reference purpose. Okay, yeah, done guys. Today video, okay, how to create performance test workload model report. I don't have time, that is only old report only I will show you. Okay, yeah, done guys. I will connect to the my next video. Thank you very much for everyone. Bye.